Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all on an episode today. We are going to be with the rest key of a class A English grammar that's active and passive. So let's begin with this lesson. For the expression direction, the past subject is said to be active point. You are character के जो इस subject एक action किया है, so it वही सुखी है. और the word that express what is done by the subject. कि क्या चीज कर रही है सब्जेक्ट है उसको क्या कहते हैं पैसिव वॉइस कहते हैं सो बी द सेंटेंसेस सो अ शो सिंग्स अ सॉन्ग इज सम बाय अ अ शो सिंग करना है एक्शन कर रहा है इनके की वॉइस है कुछ चीज उसने कर दी है तो क्या हो गई पैसिव हो गई अ सॉन्ग इज सम बाय द शो the words to be followed by geniuses the connected to passive work. There are the words passive verb can be used in passive voice like passive voices. Okay, that's the voice speak. The prepositions by, record, or often use to say who or what or the action. You often use it because they किसने क्या will कोई action first किया है. Like the past participle form of the word is क्या use होती है? Past participle form so कि okay. Such a case a face of the object. So take the case that's the objective. The object is the face of the subject. Object क्या होता है? This is the subject. Now the the tenses in base does not change on the form. In use second so this sentence से वाली part change नहीं करते. So the pronoun changes show here like I तो क्या होता है कि हो जाता है. We as you वो ही पाई होगी रहता है ये she था हर जाता है. Now piece of four sentences given below. Radha wrote a small for empty cats to poison. A small poem was written by Radha. ये क्या हो जाएगी पैसे दुआइस होगी पता नहीं वो चीज करी थी तो we have done our work. Our work has been done by a secretary passive voice summary. God gets new sticks to words. By new sticks, new fixes are kids bites or they can wait passive voice. ऐसा नहीं है demonstrable कहते हैं know the pattern of conscious sentences in above. Tense या तो पैसे को ले पे एक क्यों भी eats eat और पैसे क्योंकि is eaten are eaten वैसे कच्ची yes आप eating is eating are eating ऐसी कुछ is be eaten are being eaten best topic पे has eaten are eaten has the best nice has eaten has eaten classic captain ate or Pesero was eaten were eaten past continuous was eating were eating present quick one be eaten one be eaten past suffix had eaten present had be eaten future captain we eat shall eat you present what be eaten shall be eaten future profit shall have eaten will have eaten a present shall have eaten without be eaten now Cat way plus cat each way eat must each to eat. Yeah, basically cat eater may be eater must be eater should eater. Now any passive voicing different tenses like tense present definite क्या होता है एक was he writes a letter she does not write a she does not drive a who teaches you. Present में क्या होगा a letter is key to reply a card is not driven by a but whom are you thoughts. So present continuous. I'm doing a picture podcast bit of a picture is being drawn by me. So we are learning our lessons. Our lessons are being learned by us. Is she singing a song? Is a song being sung by her? That's it perfect. They have finished their work. Their work has been finished by them. That's it perfect. My sister has cooked food. A pool has been cooked by my sister. Have they completed the work? Has the work we completed by? Yes, a fast indefinite. Shansi bought a pen, a bag for bought by Shah. Fast captain, teachers taught the students suit put taught by teachers. Did you follow the newspaper? What the newspaper read by your father? Now fast sentence. Rashida was making the noise in the class. A nice work became by Rashida Chita class. The boy को पे एक good boy. Good boys work the काय था boys. Fast setting is क्या हो work the girls particular for campus तक तो नहीं तो वैसे पे बोला that big but by the girls या class वैसे ही block करे हैं past perfect. She had loved parties. Her lessons has been learned by her. Acting may Yudhishthir have never told a lie. Passive personally a lie had never been told by this trip. To coin has he killed the state past boy at the skate. Said be killed by her Kisne kills the city clear. So future that paper over. Himesh will sing a song. A song will be sung by Himesh. They will not second, they will not publish the article in the Times of India. The article will not be published by the Big Times of India. Selby celebrates Holi with great form when show it to Poistula Festival. In Horiki celebrated with great cop and show future perfect active boys. He will that announces education by tomorrow. As a boy, the resignation will have been announced by him by tomorrow. Otherwise, she will not have done her work like he do. Passive work will not have been done by or by a doctor. Active boys we have both a by will a by you belong you by have been boss by you. Further course, I can quite a letter you must to the audit. Passive but a letter can written by you, you must soon. You job you duty Hasik, your duty must be done by Rabbi your Arba. Your duty must be done by you. So if I just said this, so active voicing about topic once you are ordered to comment to us. Actively tell EKP and the glass of water facility. You are requested to decay a glass of water. Activists encourages a user bring up at set in the precipice let up at the key drops. Active voice write a book, get a full deep return. Now prepositions other than by or its omission. She know me. Active voice are not a tone to word as a voice. He contemplate their fall revived him. We makes him a teacher. He what the giver bias. She pleased her mother. Her mother was pleased by her. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation on this lesson. Thank you and I'll